Hey guys, Stephanie here. So this is going to be an Arteza haul and product review. I am an affiliate for Arteza, and they sent me some more wonderful products. I love Arteza's art supplies. They have some of the best art supplies in the business, in my opinion. I was able to choose some really beautiful things this time, so I will go over what I got. And just know that my being affiliate, if you should purchase anything that you see or anything off the website, the Arteza website, that, you know, you can use a 10% coupon code that I will put in the description box below, and will last the date. The ending date will also be in the box as well. So, you know, you got a few weeks to purchase some things. That'll be, you know, that'll be a good deal to jump on. And because I am an affiliate, I do get a small commission from all purchases. It's nothing extra to you, the customer. It comes from the company. So, you know, that's how that works. And I will go over and share with you all the great goodies that I got. I'm so excited. Oh, I got some stuff. I got this stuff, and then I got a box of stuff. So I have to go through everything now. I think that's all the business I wanted to say. Coupon code, you get a discount, and I will put the ending date. You can use, I think it's, I will put the coupon code in, like I said, in the show notes in the description box. So when you go to the Arteza website, you just type it in and you get your discount. That's how that works. So now's a good time to get some stuff because they've had great sales recently. So definitely want to pop over there and check some stuff out, okay? If you're in the market for some new amazing art supplies. All right, now, let's get into some things. Let's get into what I was sent. So, I was sent a 24 count of the acrylic watercolors. This is how they look. This is how they come. Okay, this is the colors you get. Wonderful. Beautiful. A lot of primaries for the acrylics. And then some extras here. Violet, that's pretty. And you know, as you go, you know, as you start painting, you could like mix colors to get different colors. So, that's always good. I got that. 24 count. And then if you see something here and you say, oh, that's like a lot of paint, the 24 or the 60, don't worry. They have like a 12 pack. They have a 24 pack. They have different size packs on the website. So if you just want just a little bit, a little amount, you can definitely get that for the paints. Okay. Now this is a 60 count of the watercolors. Look at that. I am so excited. I cannot wait to bust these open and try them. Oh my God. I'm going to open some of this stuff here in a second, but I'm just going to show you, go over and show you what it is I got first. So I got the black ink water-based fine line 0.04 pens, 12 count. And these would be great for writing in your journals and your planners and things like that. It's always great to have extra pens on hand. I mean, most of us, you know, lose pens left and right. And these are really nice. I have some from the last time that I got. And I will show you those. This is what I got the last time. Hold on. And these work out. This is what this is right here. You can see that. So this is what this is. All right, same thing. Very fine line. Here, I'll show you that. See that? They write beautifully. I just got a new journal, and I started using this, these and some of the other ones in the new journal. It came out great. So, yeah. All right. So I got a 12 pack of the black ink, and this is a 0.4 millimeter fine line pens. Really nice. Yeah, so I'm excited about those. And then this, they sent me, this is a 2-pack of the 64-page watercolor books. Cold pressed, double-sided, acid-free, and natural linen bound. This is great for journaling, art journaling, I think. You know what, let me open this. I have to open all this stuff, y'all, because I want to see everything in here. So this might be a little lengthy video. We may be here a while, so you might need a snack. All right. Now, I won't try to make it too long, I promise. But I definitely want to open it up and look at it and check it out because I'm just so excited. Oh, I love journals. You know, I got so many journals now. Ooh. I got just add to my collection. So this is how it comes. It's absolutely beautiful. This the cover is really nice. It comes with the little strap here to open it up. It's beautiful, 110 pound. Oh, that's nice, 110 pound card. That's really good to paint on it. I guess it has to be being watercolor paper, huh? So yeah, oh yeah, it's nice. Look at that. And you know what? I like that it lays flat. Look at that. You can open it and it lays flat. So that's great. So when you're painting in it or whatever it is you're doing, that works great. I love that. So you can just, you know, put your clamps on here and just paint in it or whatever you want to do. So that's wonderful. I love it. Oh my God, I love this. And this is a 8 by 11 size. So this is a nice big size. Okay, so that's wonderful. I got that. All right, I'm gonna open the paints. We're gonna go through some colors just so I can look at them. And yeah, so I'm excited about all my Arteza stuff. You know what? I got one more thing to show you. So after I show you the other thing, I'll come back and open up the paints. All right? All right, guys. So now this is exciting because this is the first time that I've ordered some panels, some canvas panels from Arteza. This is the 28 pack of the canvas panels, the classics. And this is the 11 by 14 size. And it's 100% cotton. 100% cotton. And yeah, so these are really, really nice. They're nice and big. Wow. So I got that size. So the 28 count comes with 4 different sizes, okay? So you get, I probably should have went in order, but I pulled them out of the box at different sizes. So this is the 9 by 12 size. Sorry about the glare. And yeah, it's also 100% cotton. They're all 100% cotton. Really, really nice canvases. Wow. And it looks like you get, how many do you get in here? 8? No, wait, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you get 7. 7 in a pack. That's a nice size too. Wow, I love that. So you get that size. That's what, the 9 by 12? Right? Yes. So we get the 9 by 12, and then we get the 8 by 10 size. Right. We get 7 of those. 3 and 4. Yep, 7. So that's great. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 7. So 7. I'm just double checking that I didn't miss any. You get 7 in a pack, and this is a great, really, if you like canvases or if you need canvases in different sizes, this is a great pack to get, and it's not very expensive from what I saw on the website. You know, they always have sales. Plus, if you order these, you can use my 10%, you know, discount, and you can get you a whole bunch of canvases if you want to stock up on your canvases. So this is great. This is what it looks like. Really nice, 8 by 10 size. And I needed all these sizes. And this is a 5 by 7 size. Really cute. Look at that. Right? So yeah. And then they have other information on the back here. So if you want to, you know, go to the website and check all that stuff out, you certainly can. I would encourage that, okay? So yeah, this is a 28 pack. And I'm very excited that I got these. These are wonderful, guys. So if you're interested in new canvases or you need some extra canvases, this is a great deal to have. You know, like I said, go to the website and check it out. They always have sales. If they have a sale and you get the discount, that's even better, right? Even better. All right, so now let's go back and open the paints and just check out the paints really quick, okay? All right, guys, so now we're going to open up the acrylic colors, the 24 count acrylic colors. And yeah, I'm excited about these. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the sizes. This is nice. It's a bigger size. So I guess when you order a smaller count, the size inside is a little bit bigger. Oh, that's nice. And these are, let's see, 0.74 ounces. So that's really good. And I love how they come in these little containers here. So easy because you just pull them out and set them out on your desk or your area and just start painting. Oh, look at this one. I'm still loving this violet. I love all these. Ooh, pretty. Yeah. Oh, look at that burnt sienna, crimson. Oh, yeah. I'm going to enjoy these guys. Oh, look at that. Really nice. Look at that. Great. Woo-wee. And I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Cold gray. Look at that. I love all the Arteza paints. They are nice. And the consistency is wonderful and they work amazing. So I am going to do a little demo in the next video, you know, showcasing the acrylics and the watercolors. I'm going to probably use the journal as well. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. that one's going to be following this video. All right, I'll upload this video first, and then I'll upload that video after that, okay? But in the meantime, y'all can enjoy looking at the beautiful colors. And then for the 24 count, you get four little, I call them palettes. They look kind of like little palettes. Little palettes in here. So that's what you get with the 24 count. That's a lot of paint, y'all. Like, look at that. That's like a lot of paint. I mean, you know, if you don't need a lot of paint, then just get a 12 count. That's perfectly fine. Or if you want all the colors, just get the 60 count. And that way you don't have to buy paint for a very long time. But these are going to last a nice long time. Wow, I love it. Oh, I can't wait to use them. I can't wait to use them. All right, so let's put these back. I just want to open them and show them to you. And then I'm going to open up the 60 count of watercolors. Those are going to be amazing. Because I have the wash colors from the last time. I use those things all the time. I sure do. I use them in my journals. Because they're great for journals because the gouache is very opaque. It's an opaque paint. And it's good because you can put it in there and then you can, like, if you have some paint over pens, you can use your paint over pens or some other thing like markers, something like that. You know, in your journals and things like that to dress up your journals and stuff. So, yeah. So, now, let's get to the watercolors. My favorites. I guess everything's my favorite. I like them all. I love them all. So, I want to open them up here on camera. Give you my honest opinion of these. You know, let's see. Oh, like I want to look at the colors because I'm curious about some of these colors. Like, here's the colors, and you see that the names of the colors and all that. You know, I'll put that aside. All right, see how that's a little smaller when you get a bigger count of paints. See, these are a little bit smaller. These are how many ounces? 0.4 ounces. So, because you get more volume, but you get less in the tube. So there you go. So that blush pink is pretty. I think they have a blush pink in the gouache as well, if I'm not mistaken. So some of these colors are similar to the ones in the gouache. But, you know, the gouache is just an opaque version of watercolor. So, anywho, I got that one. This one. Some of the primaries here. All right, so let's move that there. Let's see. Let's look at this one. Oh, my favorites. Lilac Rose. Scarlet Red. Oh, and they're pretty. So pretty. I'm going to have such fun painting with these. I'm telling you. Toffee. Light Apricot. Ballerina Pink. Cute. I bet that's nice. Yeah. Let's see here. What else do we get? Peach, Mauve, Aegean Blue, Ice Blue. You get those. Very nice. Wow, you get a lot of them in here. It's 60, so it's a lot of paint. Won't have to buy paint for a very long time. But knowing me, that won't stop me. You know, I see paint because I love to paint. So, yeah, these are the blues and some of the purples. Absolutely beautiful. And Arteza, like I said, their paints are very rich, and you don't need a lot, and they go on beautifully. You know, especially if you have a watercolor journal or a paper pad. You know, wonderful, really, really wonderful. Oh, wineberry, eucalyptus, violet tulip, pretty colors. Isn't that pretty colors? Wow, very nice. I love it. Oh, I'm going to have so many colors to choose from. I don't know what to do. Deep green. These are the greens and the browns. Very nice. These would be good for like the vintage things. If you're going to do some vintage paintings and stuff. You know. So, wow. I'm running out of room. Oh, these are pretty. Apricot. Viridian green, gray, sepia, sky blue, and neon pink. They got a neon in there. That's kind of different. So that's nice. And then here's the last ones. This one is the bubblegum pink indigo. Oh, I bet that is gorgeous. That indigo and the lavender, like these three. And look at this, jade green. Ooh, that's cute. Sounds cute. Ooh, I'm gonna play with these. Yeah, I might put those on top. I think I'm gonna play with those. All right. Okay. So those are the watercolors, kids. All right. Yeah. Wonderful. 60 count. Oh, the watercolors. Premium watercolors on Arteza. Arteza.com. So definitely check them out. Definitely use my coupon code, which will be listed in the show notes below. And when you get to the checkout on the website, you put in the coupon code, and that's when you get your discount, okay? And if they want to know how you heard about Arteza, please put in my YouTube name, Stephanie Garrett Creative. I would love if you did that. Go ahead and make some purchases. They have wonderful products. I love working with a great company like Arteza. They always send beautiful things and things that, you know, as artists and crafters, we could definitely use in our arts and crafts. You know, journals, so those of us who do journals, art journaling, this is a great deal for art journaling. Really, really nice, okay? So yeah, again, I'm an affiliate. I get a small commission from all of your purchase, from anything purchased. It's not nothing extra to you, the customer. It comes through the company. It's on the company's end only. And I appreciate it if you, you know, would check out all of the, I'm going to put all of the links for everything that I showed you in the show notes as well. So all you got to do if you want to buy this, just click on the link and take you right to the website, and you sign into the website and you purchase it like that, okay? So yeah, I will list everything below. I will list the coupon code and everything else. All the information that you need will be in the description below. And if you have any questions or comments on this video, please let me know and I will do my best to answer them. And please give this video a like and a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, because I have lots of content coming. And I'm building up on my Patreon as well, and I'll talk about that in another video. All right, so definitely stay tuned to the channel because I got lots more stuff coming, all right? All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you next time. Ciao.